I'm gonna show you guys. This is the new. It's actually new Microsoft keyboard. This is a Bluetooth, which is nice because it's compatible with anything that's Bluetooth. This does have. This is what they call the Wedge Mobile keyboard. They do have a mouse. It's very portable. It works out really good. They're selling these at Microsoft Store or Microsoft for 79. You'll be able to get these if you're really interested. A lot cheaper, probably online for maybe 49, 59. I'm not too sure, but again, this one says it's compatible, which is nice. It will work with Windows 8, of course, Windows 7, RT, Windows RT, the Mac, Android, and anything pretty much that has Bluetooth. So let me show you guys. The nice thing about this is it does have. Let me get a little blade here and cut this open for you. Show you guys. Okay, it does have a. As you can see how small it is. That's what I kind of liked it because this I'll be carrying in my bag to travel with. It's not really. I mean, I can use it on a daily, daily usage. Let me compare it to the Apple keyboard. So it's a little bit smaller than the Apple keyboard, so the keys are a little bit closer together. But if you can see, as you can see there, pretty much these keys are pretty much on the same size. Spacebar is the same. So what they've done is instead of have this separation in between, they kind of have them all together to bring down the keyboard. So in a way, keys are the same size. They're just together. So it's nothing different. I can get used to that. But the build quality on this, it seems very nice. It's kind of like, I believe this might be aluminum or something. Yeah, it sure is like aluminum. And I believe that you click that to, which is nice to take out the batteries. And on this other end, it's got the Bluetooth button. You push this in to on and off, I believe, or I haven't tested it out. Let's quickly look. It's got the new shortcuts here for Windows 8. There's the search button, the charms, the settings for your monitor, which is nice because depending on the monitor I'm at, I quickly change it here. Here's your settings button there. Again, with Windows 8, I believe they got eliminated the brightness. You know how you usually have keyboards, you can do brightness. Now you do have to go to settings, and then I believe if you have a like Toshiba and them, they'll probably have their own driver where they'll be on the keyboard. They can change it, but so far I haven't seen it come out. And it's got the looks like a power on and off there with the function. So it's got a nice good shortcuts there. It does use AAA batteries, and they do include this, what they call is a keyboard stand, or not, sorry, not, it's for let's take a look. I think it's for the, if you want to use it as a stand for your tablet. Let's look at it real quick here. Yeah, oops. So this becomes like a stand for your tablet. As you can see there, you'll fold it up at that angle like this, so you can put it like this and you can put the tablet. So let me quickly, so you don't get all this documentation there, let's show you quickly. I'll test this out really quick. We'll load this up, see how easy it is to pair it to a tablet. The batteries go in this way, as you can see. They have them labeled there. Just quick slide those in. I'm sure you push this button, and as you can see, the light's blinking in there, so it's getting ready in pairing mode. So let's move this out of the way. I'll get this is a Samsung tablet, so we'll see what let me power that up. It's turning on there. So we'll go ahead, let me put my password in there. Let's minimize this. Okay, minimize everything here. Okay, so let's go to settings. Let me see if I have my Bluetooth. Actually, I can go here. Add a Bluetooth device. So let's see if this is blinking. It should automatically find it. There it is. As you can see there, this light, I don't know if it shows up on the camera. It's showing you that's Microsoft Wedge keyboard. Click on it, and there's a little light blinking in here. It's telling you this in pairing mode. Now you just have to type this number on your keyboard, 7698, and then hit enter, and that will pair it up. As you can see now, that light's not in between the keyboard, is not blinking no more, it's green, so that's meaning it's ready to go. Let me take this out of my case here real quick, and we'll see. Let's see how good that stand is. I don't know if I'll be using it, but well, I guess it does work. So you can, I guess, carry it around and it will work. I don't see, it seems like it would probably slide open, but somehow it's got some kind of, the way they built it here, so no matter where you put it, it stays there. But I think after so many uses, it feels like this might break off, but maybe not. This is actually rubber, really rubbery, and this is kind of also rubbery, but this is more smoother rubber. So I don't know how long this will last, so I'll give it a try. I guess I can carry it around. I guess there's no wrong or way which side is up, because they're both sides have the little notch there. So let me see this quickly, take a look. So this, you can have this keyboard here, very nice. Let's go to the Windows. Yep, everything works great, as you can see there. Let's take a look at these shortcuts. That's nice. Your charms, this is what I like. Yeah, settings, so it's very nice. Print screen, home screen. So yeah, as you can see, it goes wherever you want to go. The nice thing again with Windows, if you're, once you're in the let me just go like the desktop. Let's say if you're here, when you go to Windows and you want to search for something, you can just start typing on your keyboard, like you can say mail, and you see that popped up. That's a nice feature, even though it says, and it does give you more files here, whatever you might have that's related to mail. But if you are just looking for the mail app, it automatically knows, pops up, so you don't have to go anywhere but just start typing. If you're looking for a file, a document, you just type the name of the document and it just pops up on the side with all the files, anything related to that name. So this is good. I'm gonna like this keyboard. I'll give it a test, but I see that even though it's small, as you can see, it's very usable and workable. So that's the nice thing about it. So this is just a quick look at the Microsoft. This is the Wedge Mobile keyboard. They do have a mouse that goes with it, but that's too small. I just like using my regular. I actually use I'm using an Apple old Mighty Mouse with it, so that's still been working good. So that's a quick look at it. Thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing before I forget. This also acts, this stand itself, it also acts as a cover for your keyboard. So you basically put it down like this, which is pretty nice design. See how it catches on there, which normally was catching, and you snap this in. So now you have a nice keyboard cover for the keyboard, and it actually stays above. Let me see if I can get that on the video. It actually stays above the rim there, so it actually, when if you were to put this in your bag, none of the keys will be touching, which is good, because I don't know if you guys have some of the keyboards. I've noticed the Bluetooth never have an on and off button. It's very rare they do. I have another one that I carry around. Every time I put it in my bag, keys are touching. So, you know, battery really, I mean, the battery's within 2 weeks they're dead, because traveling the keyboard back and forth, keys are pressing in the bag, so it's acting like you're using it. So this actually is nice to keep it up above like that, since it doesn't not have an on and off button. This is just the pairing button. It's not an on and off button. As you can see, the light's still green there, so meaning it's on. This, even if I click it, it does not turn that light off or anything. So eventually it turns off when you're not using it. See, as you're using it, it's blinking down there. So this is nice to keep this from wearing out your batteries. So that's pretty nice. Just thought I'd show you guys quickly before I forget. Thanks for watching again.